Which among the following represents the scale of spectrum band likely to be accessed by software-defined radio? A. 800 MHz 900 MHz. B. 800 MHz 850 MHz. C. 30 MHz 2.5 GHz. D. 30 MHz 250 MHz. The correct answer is 30 MHz 2.5 GHz. Which among the following is considered as the most power-efficient device? A. ASIC. B. FPGA. C. DSP. D. GPP. The correct answer is DSP. How are the general-purpose processors classified? A. Based on memory. B. Based on bus. C. Based on interface. D. Based on instruction set. The correct answer is based on instruction set. Where does black processing occur in software communication architecture? A. Black processing occurs between antenna and RF channel. B. Black processing occurs between antenna and RF conversion. C. Black processing occurs between RF conversion and InfoSec module. D. Black processing occurs between antenna and InfoSec module. The correct answer is black processing occurs between antenna and InfoSec module. Which among the following correspond to the point plotted in the graph? A. Quartz handset. B. Programmable radio. C. Software-defined radio. D. Virtual radio. The correct answer is software-defined radio. Which among the following is not a component of hardware-defined radio? A. Demodulator. B. Antenna. C. Filters. D. Analog to digital converter. The correct answer is analog to digital converter. Which among the following terms define the design space used to describe the development of software-defined radio? A. Digital access bandwidth and programmability. B. Digital access bandwidth and feasibility. C. Programmability and feasibility. D. Analog access bandwidth and feasibility. The correct answer is digital access bandwidth and programmability. Which among the following is an important characteristic of software radio? A. Digital demodulation and analog filtering. B. Analog demodulation and digital filtering. C. Analog demodulation and filtering. D. Digital demodulation and filtering. The correct answer is digital demodulation and filtering. Which among the following is given as input to the system control unit? A. Human-machine interface. B. Global framework. C. Fault management. D. Configuration management. The correct answer is human-machine interface. Which among the following is not an API of the software communication architecture put forth by the SDR forum? A. Physical. B. Mac. C. Security. D. Transport. The correct answer is transport. What is term used to refer to a handset with multiple single-band RF chips? A. Pocket radio. B. Multi-set radio. C. Slice radio. D. Fixed radio. The correct answer is slice radio. Constraint programming consists of variables, constraints, and domains. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.